Today, I'm making this delicious American corn salad. It's incredibly easy to make, perfect for summer barbecue, family dinners, or even as a light lunch. Stick with me as I take you through the process. I'll begin by cutting one fresh cucumber into thin slices. Then I will cut them again into tiny cubes. I'll go ahead to put the cucumber in a large bowl. I'll then slice my tomatoes in small bite sizes. They bring a juicy freshness and a beautiful burst of color. I'll then proceed to add the tomatoes into the bowl. Now, I will finely dice some onion. The onion gives the salad just enough sharpness without overpowering the other ingredients. Now I'll add the onion to the other vegetables. Next, I'll add the corn. You can use fresh corn, canned corn, or frozen corn that has been cooked and cooled. But today, I'm using fresh sweet corn because it gives the salad the best natural sweetness and a lovely crunch. Then I will slice some fresh parsley. Fresh herbs really brightens the entire salad and makes it taste fresh. If you enjoy cilantro, you can as well use it. Add the parsley into the bowl as well. Let's quickly make the dressing. I'll add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise into a smaller bowl. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some black pepper, a pinch of salt. Then I'll go ahead and cut 1 medium-sized lemon into 2 equal halves. Then I will squeeze 1 into the dressing mixture. Now, I'll whisk everything together until the dressing is smooth and well combined. Pour the dressing over the vegetables. Now, gently toast everything together until every piece is coated with that delicious dressing. Take your time here because this is where all those amazing flavors come together. And just like that, our American corn salad is ready. Look at those beautiful colors. It's fresh, healthy, crunchy, and packed with flavor in every bite. You can serve it immediately, but if you let it chill in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, the flavor blends even better. Let's give it a taste. It's sweet from the corn, crispy from the vegetables, perfectly tangy and incredibly refreshing. This is a kind of salad that disappears quickly whenever you serve it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nagai'sHaven and turn on the notification bell for more delicious recipes. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.